In the box. 1 6-foot cable. HDMI to DVI. Flexible cable adapts an HDMI input to a DVI output. Gold-plated connectors. Quality gold-plated connectors deliver optimal conductivity. Protective durability. Net jacket offers extra layer of protection. Bi-directional cable. HDMI to DVI cable makes it possible to connect HDMI-equipped devices or connect DVI-equipped devices to HDMI-enabled devices. Universally compatible. Works with all HDMI or DVI-D 24+1 equipped devices, also compatible with DVI-I 24+5 equipped devices. Top reviews from the United States. It's basic, inexpensive. Is it the best cable ever created? I don't know. Is the quality of the cable itself the best you could get for the buck? I really don't know. All I know is that it was inexpensive, shipped quickly, and it connects directly to the monitor I got for $14 at Salvation Army. It works perfectly from a 1660 Super HDMI to an old Dell monitor.